What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today it's a very special vlog because finally I will get my wheels and tires added to my car. God, it was been a couple days. I had to wait till the wheels came. Tires is a whole different story. It was a very annoying process, but got all of them now. And the only thing is, I have to figure out somehow to fit all 4 tires and wheels into my car. So, let's get right into it. So first off, these are my wheels here. Show you how it looks like. So I need to move these into my car right there. So, figure it out how. Well, guys, suffice to say, I got everything fit into the car. The other wheels in the back, but holy shit. Let's go. Who said I can't fit 4 wheels and tires, size 18 tires, into a FRS? Let's freaking go. Alright. Alright, so that was a bit of a workout. I am sweaty and drenched. Jesus. And living on a 3rd floor doesn't make it any better. Oh my god, and it's humid here. So I'm gonna go now to see my friend Christian, get them installed. Also thinking about getting my fenders pulled and rolled. So this is gonna be a little bit extra, but it's alright. Feel like with that kind of wheels and tires, there's a definitely need. So let's get to it. Alright, so now we're here at the shop, finally gonna get my wheels and tires installed. I totally forgot to get the aftermarket lug nuts. Fortunately, I did get them. 40 bucks. Vance Auto, had to go pick it up. Other than that, we are all set. I'm just waiting for my friend so he can come and just take the car, and we're all set after that. And then playing the waiting game. Thankfully, this time I have my laptop and my iPad, so I can do some work while I wait for the end result. I can't wait to see it. I'm so excited. Like, God, I just can't wait to see it. So, tune in, guys, and let's go back into that room. Hey guys, so I was just going on Instagram and I just stumbled upon my friend Christian's story, and of course he's like, you know, filming content for his YouTube, and I see my tires and wheels being installed. So will it fit? Obvious.
honestly. And oh my gosh, it looks so dope. I can't wait to see it. I'm very excited now. I'm hella excited to see how it looks, and honestly, yeah, well, like the end result. So still gotta wait for a couple minutes. Still gonna be working on my art, and I'll get more into what I'm actually really doing in another video. Just today is just a wheel installation. I definitely need to get brake pads. So let's just keep waiting. So guys, we're here in the shop and just chilling with my lovely lady. Decided to go with a little bit of raising of the suspension just because it was like rubbing a lot. So we're gonna raise it a little bit, do a fender pull and roll. Sounds nice. And it looks so clean. Like, I'm really happy how the job is going. But yeah, so excited to see what has happened there, and just let's do a little B-roll. Still rubbing. Okay, little did I know, the squeaking sound the car was making with the tires was actually because of the shop floor. So, my bad.
Hey guys, sorry for yesterday. I had to cut off early just because we were running into a little bit of issues with the whole wheel and tire installation. Basically what happened was the front was rubbing a lot with the coilovers, so we decided to raise it a little bit. I did get it. Oh god, man, my hair, yo. I did have my friend Christian pretty much camber it a little bit, like inwards. Other than that, like, we had to get the alignment done, and it looked all good. You know, considering it looked all good until we were driving it around. We noticed that there was a lot of rubbing in the back. So, especially when I do like a full turn, like where the steering wheel locks. So, and like you can hear it. I can even hear it in the front as well. So, what we're gonna have to do is bring it back tomorrow and see if we can probably raise the rear a little bit, obviously, and I'm gonna have to find out what we're gonna do about the front as well. So it wasn't a total, like, I don't want to say it was a total failure, but it wasn't a, I mean, it was a good start. I mean, it was a very good start. I really enjoy the wheels. It looks great. The tires feel amazing. So sorry about that. Sorry for the whole confusion. We were just exhausted. It was like around 10 o'clock at night, and you know what can we do? Like, you know, just working in the shop and trying to get home. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. Please tune in for the next ones. Hopefully, again, like I said, tomorrow we're gonna go take my car back to the shop and see where we go from there. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuce.